Good afternoon, January 17th, 2021. We're talk about DNA today. Actually, I'm just going to show you the basic structure of deoxyribonucleic acid so you can build your own model and hopefully accurate in terms of the science or the actual structure of DNA. So let me show you a model that we put together here this last weekend, and hopefully you can do a lot better than this one. But this one will do for in terms of showing the basic structure. So here's what we came up with. It's a very short model, only showing what they call 8 nucleotides. I'll show you what a nucleotide is here in a little bit. The nucleotides build the model. They make up the model DNA, or the genetic blueprint of the cell. Notice on the sides of the ladder, we'll call it a ladder right now, we got the repeating units of yellow, black, and yellow, black, and then one of 4 different colors. We got the green, the lavender, the orange, and the purple. Each one of those colors, 4 different colors, represent a different nitrogenous base. So let's put all that together. We have the phosphate, the 5-carbon sugar, and one of 4 colors is what they call a nucleotide. So we have how many different nucleotides in DNA? We have 4, right? We have guanine, cytosine, adenine, and then thymine, okay? So 4 different nucleotides. So when you build your model, make sure if you're using soda straws, have 4 different colors, okay? And our combinations are always going to be guanine, cytosine, then adenine always bonded with thymine, okay? It's not going to be different. In every case, guanine, I'll bond with you, cytosine, adenine, I'll bond with you, thymine. There's a reason that guanine always bonds with cytosine. And I'll get right into it. Here's our combinations again. Look at guanine. Guanine has on the end of its molecule, you have an oxygen atom. And right below it, a hydrogen, and then another hydrogen. On cytosine, you have hydrogen parallel to oxygen. That's an attraction because hydrogen is positive and oxygen is negative. So we form one weak hydrogen bond there. Nitrogen is negative, hydrogen is positive. Once again, another weak attraction or force, a second hydrogen bond. And we have hydrogen and oxygen again. We form 3 weak hydrogen bonds between the 2 of them. So that's a match made in heaven. Guanine looks for a partner that can form 3 hydrogen bonds. Adenine always looks for a partner that can form 2 hydrogen bonds, and that would be thymine. Notice in every case the hydrogen bond involves the element hydrogen, either with oxygen or nitrogen. Okay, so there's that's the reason for G with C and A with T. Okay, so that's our model. You can see in our model here, we have roughly, well, not roughly, we have almost 4 complete nucleotides. Another thing you might notice is that adenine, let me go back over here, and adenine and guanine are about twice as big in terms of the molecule as cytosine and thymine. That makes our model, since there's always a big with a little, big with a little, a parallel model. Okay. And something you probably don't really want to know, but I'll tell you now, is that adenine and guanine are what they call purines. That's their classification in terms of nitrogenous bases. Then cytosine and thymine are what they call pyrimidines. So guanine and adenine have 2 carbon rings. Cytosine and thymine have 1 carbon ring in their structure. Okay? So once again, the DNA model is made up of nucleotides of phosphate, a 5-carbon sugar, what they call deoxyribose sugar, and 1 of 4 bases. Okay? And in terms of the matching, it's always G with C and A with T. A purine with a pyrimidine, another purine with a pyrimidine. Don't let that confuse you. Just kind of remember why the match between G and C and A and T has something to do with the number of hydrogen bond sites, with weak bonds. So build a good model, make it creative, try to include all these different colors. They don't have to be my colors. You might want to look at those videos so you can twist the model and make it even more realistic, or match what the DNA is in terms of nature. I will follow up with another video and show you something fun on DNA replication. Okay? So I hope you guys are getting up in the morning, getting your stuff done, and enjoying the model. Okay? And and if you put it off to the last minute, may not be a good idea. So good luck and God bless you. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.